There you go, it looks absolutely delicious. You want to take a bite off of it?
Yes.
Today we're making an awesome Christmas high protein dessert and it's called
The vegan chocolate peppermint high protein cheesecake cups.
All right, good morning everyone and welcome to another Fit Vegan cooking video. Today we're making an awesome Christmas high protein dessert and it's called
The vegan chocolate peppermint high protein cheesecake cups. It's a long title.
That's a mouthful. There's a lot going on here. So again, we just want to bring a little Christmas dessert that you'd be able to enjoy. That's going to be a little bit higher in some plant-based protein. We have a lot of good ingredients we're going to be using today. So we're going to transition over to Ivy, who's going to share those ingredients with you. And then we will start putting everything together. This is a no-cook recipe. So all you need is a blender. So we have our Vitamix with us. We'll be blending everything.
And then we just leave it in the fridge for a bit and it's ready to go.
And eat it.
Okay, so for today's ingredients, of course, we have our protein powder in this little big jar right
This
here.
is how we travel with it.
We need a lot of protein. And some almond milk. We also have some peanut butter. I think this is local. Some rolled oats, one of our fave. And for a sweetener, we're using the dates.
Can't go wrong with some dates.
Pitted, by the way, pitted dates. Of course, some maple syrup.
Canadian maple syrup.
Has to be Canadian. Tofu, silken tofu.
Yeah, you can also use soaked cashews if you want to, but we decided to go with tofu because it's higher in protein.
Then we have some baking cocoa powder and then some peppermint extract for the flavoring.
Make it Christmassy.
And then optional if you guys want to add a little salt. Here.
And then we'll have a little secret topping that we're going to add on top of it at the end.
Ooh, secret.
All right,
Okay.
let's start to assembling the crust. All right, guys, so let's start by making the crust first. So again, it's going to be very few ingredients in quantity just because it's just for Ivy and I. So what we're going to do is we're going to do half a cup of rolled oats. It's fancy. We're going fancy for you guys for Christmas. All right, that was like just a little bit under half of a cup. There you go. That is half of a cup right there. From there, we're gonna put 4 Medjool dates. You can't go wrong with some dates for the sweetener. These ones have been pitted, so we don't need to worry about that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we're gonna grab a tablespoon of peanut butter. You guys feel free to use almond butter if you want to. Again, you got a golden measuring spoon.
So holiday.
There you go. Put that in here, need a spoon to get it out of the spoon. There you go. Gotta like the peanut butter. If tempeh was there, I would give it to tempeh. All right, next up we need 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. So I'm gonna eyeball this one.
There is this.
Right there. I'm a Canadian, I know how to measure this stuff. All right, and you can add some salt on there if you want to. We're not gonna add it to this current recipe here. And then we're gonna get blending and we're gonna have to push it because obviously there's not a lot of wet ingredients in here, all right? I'll pause it for a sec. You want to do that until you have like a really thick texture that we're going to be able to compress at the bottom of our cups, which is what we're going to put in the fridge with the filling. All right, guys, so we added a little bit more peanut butter and a little bit of almond milk. So obviously if you're cooking 10 portions of it, there would be more wet ingredients. This wasn't enough wet ingredients for 2 servings. So I added a bit more peanut butter and nut butter. As you can see in here, you can compact it and it's kind of make like a solid crust. So what we're going to do is we're going to scoop that out, put that into our cup here, and build our base for our vegan cheesecake. All right. So I probably will need a spoon for this. All right. There you go. That's perfect.
It is black, you can't see. Can you put it in the light?
Yeah, where? Let me do this here. All right. You guys can see we got our ingredients in here and then we're just gonna compact it to make the bottom of our crust. We're at an Airbnb, so we don't have our usual tools for cooking. So we're just making do with what we have here. But as you can see here, got a compacted crust. So we're gonna do that for both mugs. And honestly, we still have a little bit more, so we might be able to make 4 mugs for this one. All right, let's compact this one here. All right, guys, now that we have our base made, again, we were able to fill up four cups. Normally you would make that in a ramekin, but we don't have one. So that's why, again, we're using something a little bit smaller. But when you spread it out in the proper container, you'd be able to have like a nice little layer to kind of add everything on top and actually make it look like a cheesecake, all right? So now I'm gonna pass it over to Ivy, who's gonna be making the high protein filling.
Okay, so this is exciting. We're making the filling. We'll start with 6 ounces of the silken tofu. So this is about 10. So I'll just grab 60%.
Oh, that's good math right there. And again, you want silken, so it gives you that creamy texture. If you grab like a firm or extra firm, it's going to be higher in protein, but the texture is going to be
creamy,
interesting.
Right. So then after that, we'll do, I don't know where to put this guy, somewhere. Just 1 scoop of our vegan protein powder. We're using a chocolate one. Oh yeah, there you go. Let me just put this away. Have more room, and then of course tablespoon of our cocoa powder. This is my favorite when I bake.
More chocolate.
It's cacao's good for you though, so that's how I see it. All right, so I'm gonna figure out which one's tablespoon. Is this it?
The big one, yeah.
Okay, so 1 tablespoon. Should we add some more?
No, I think there's enough chocolate. Because we have a secret topping at the end of it that's also extra chocolate.
Quick little interruption to the video. I want to give you a free gift. So I wrote a few emails to help you improve your body composition. So I'm telling you exactly how to figure out your calories, your protein goal. I'm going to share with you 101 exercise videos that I personally recorded with a workout plan in there, a meal plan, some guidance on how to structure your mindset so that you can succeed in your transformation to help you lose the next 3 to 5 pounds for free on me. So all you have to do is sign up for the link down below. It'll be at the top of the description, and I'll send that directly to your inbox. So enjoy the rest of the video.
You just said it.
But they don't know what it's made of.
Sure. And then of course 2 tablespoons of our little maple syrup here, and Maxim will say it has to be Canadian.
It's the best one.
So there's 1, there's 2. All right. Then half a teaspoon of our peppermint extract. So it's pretty
really strong. Yeah.
If you've used this before, this is actually our little guy right here, and I'm just gonna grab a half a teaspoon. So this is a 1/4. Oops. Okay, there you go.
It's gonna taste strong, all right.
Sorry. I think that's pretty good. Oh, now last but not the least is our plant milk.
Yeah, we
have
got some
almond milk here.
unsweet almond milk.
So just 2 tablespoons. Let's see if I'm better this time.
No.
That's pretty good. I'm pretty sure, like, you can't mess this up. There you go. Maxim's just waiting for me to fail on this one.
No, it's just funny. There you go. It's got everything in there.
And then the best part is now just blending it all. By the way, we bring this Vitamix when we travel, so.
We bring this Vitamix in our coffee machine. Yeah, it's the opposite because you're on the other side, yeah.
Do I do 4 or 5?
I would do like start with 1, 2, build it up. If not, it's gonna splash everywhere. Just like that. So yeah, we're gonna blend that up and then push it all down to make sure everything gets mixed together, and we'll check in with you guys once it's done. It's nice and creamy.
All right, so filling is all done. It's very smooth and just silky.
Smells like Christmas. It smells really good.
I might have put more peppermint than we should have, but it smells really good. So.
It smells like Santa Claus about to knock on the door. That's what it smells like.
Can't wait. We're just gonna pour this guy. I think I'm just gonna spoon it.
Yeah. It is very dark. There you go.
I'm gonna do an even split. I think we can only do 2 cups with this.
Let's do 2 cups. Ignore the 2 other 2 cups, guys.
So after all this, we're going to put it in the fridge to actually cool and kind of solidify a bit. Between 10 to 15 minutes, you can do it. Or if you're in a rush, you can actually put it in the freezer for 5 minutes. If you really want those desserts fast.
Well, we're not that patient.
So we're doing 5 minutes in the freezer.
Yeah, pretty much. Can't wait to eat it. It tastes so good.
So
It smells so good, sorry. I didn't even eat it, but I'm excited about it.
can I chase it?
Yeah, go for
It's
it.
really good.
Got the ivy falling on the ground.
Oh my God, it's so pepperminty.
All right.
It's like you brush your teeth after eating.
Piece of advice, put less peppermint than Ivy did. We'll put this in the fridge and then we're gonna check in with you guys in 15 minutes to give it the final taste, sorry. All right, here we have it. Our dessert is ready. It smells pepperminty and the filling was really delicious. Put a little bit too much peppermint. So we ended up doing another batch just to fill up all 4 of the cups. But again, it's gonna be high in protein as well. Now we have our little topping we're gonna add on top of it. You can add some crushed candy cane if you want to. This is a soy chocolate protein topping. So yeah, it's made with soy protein, like the whole soy, and put a little bit of cacao on there. And we're gonna add that as a topping, just add a little bit of crunchiness. I would love some of the bigger flakes, please. There you go, it looks absolutely delicious. You wanna take a bite off of it?
Yes.
Kind of scoop it up.
Well, I'm holding the...
You can put the mic on your shirt.
Oh, that's actually... Okay, I'll show it to you guys. Because I was thinking it was hard, but it's actually moussey, like mousse type.
You needed to show the camera. You just ate it.
Sorry, it was good.
You only got the mousse. You didn't even get the base. Go all the way to the bottom.
Did I get the base? There you go. Yep.
Hey, wait. Show the camera. Are you so hungry? There you go. We got a little bit of the base in there.
It's dessert. I love it.
All right. Since Ivy didn't pass out while she was eating it, I'm going to give it a shot as well. Oh, yeah. You didn't get the base the first time. You just got mousse. All right. Yeah, that looks absolutely delicious. I won't be able to pick it up from this far, but...
Good, right? See,
I'm happy we made 4 of these.
That's why I didn't wait.
Mmm. Oh, the peppermint is nice. It's not like too much. I think we added the other batch. This is really good. Wow.
You guys have to make it.
So the tofu, the plant-based protein powder, the oatmeal, this is a high protein dessert. Again, a little bit on the indulgent side, but again, it's the holidays. You can easily make that fit within your macros if you're on your journey of improving your body composition. So I'm gonna link all the ingredients and the macros down below so you guys can easily punch it into your MyFitnessPal or Chronometer or whatever app you like to use, and so you can make it for yourself. Wow.
Yeah.
It is a peanut butter. It is so good. Highly recommend you guys give it a shot, all right? Let us know in the comment section about what you'd like to see next. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel because we have a goal of hitting 25,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and we're almost there. So we appreciate you all for the support. We hope you enjoy this cooking video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.